How to find your ByBit UID. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find your ByBit UID. The process is very simple, so do follow along. Step 1 is to open up Play Store or App Store and search for ByBit. Then have this application downloaded on your device. For that, tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, go ahead and launch this application. Now, create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, sign into your account by entering your credentials. What you want to do next is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, you will find the gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. It will now bring you to settings. Here on the account info section, you have different options such as profile picture, nickname, and there you have the option of UID. This is what you need. So you can simply tap on this copy option over here. Once you do that, it will be successfully copied. Now you can head over to any application and simply paste what you have copied, and this right here is your ByBit UID. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.